शिवाय ॐ नमः 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 शिवाय ॐ नमो नारायणाय 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 ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते शिवानन्दाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते शिवानन्दाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते कृष्णानन्दाय
Gurudev life is an ideal example for us to emulate. We sadhanas, we got the greatest obstacle in life, which is called ego. You know how Gurudev imposed self-discipline. Generally, when anybody would namaskar or offer any garland, immediately he said, Gurudev will go inside the room, and being a doctor, he has got a very good treatment to remove this so-called ego. He used to give ST40 injection. It means 2 beatings 40 times on his own head, because ego is so much adamant in our own mind. For every step in every step, it manifests. The ego should be eliminated. That is the first prerequisite as sadhakas. Our Gurudev is an ideal example. He put self-discipline. If anything anger comes, immediately you realize it, and to put it quite opposite, punishment, self-imposed punishment is very, very prerequisite in spiritual life. Similarly, our Chaitanya Maharaj and Krishna Maharaj, they lived till the last breath. They felt they are nothing but servants of Gurudev. Again, our adored Gurudev Swami Shivaji Maharaj, motto is serve all and love all. And he saw nothing but divinity in all names and forms. That is the very, very important thing in our life. Generally, we say God is all pervading, but unless we feel it in our own daily life, it is impossible to progress in our own life in this world. Feeling the divinity in every breath and every step in our life is the most important thing. And more important thing in life is what breathing. And we have to convert our breathing into japa, because all the time we will be thinking about others and other nothing objects of the universe. And to negate this external attitude of the mind is prerequisite to the life principle. First, direct it to your own breathing and focusing, and our own breathing teaches us Soham, Shivoham. That we have to direct our own breathing first and concentrating and feeling. Then there is a possibility to convert our own breathing into japa. Hence, first, as said by scriptures also, health is a fundamental needs. Daily, the moment we get up in the morning, we have to do some Surya Namaskar, some pranayamas, and feel the presence of Guru in our daily life. Also, Svadhyaya means self-study. It is in the beginning very difficult to study our own self, and we will take the study of the scriptures. Look at it. Bhagavad Gita is such a scripture. On this auspicious day, it is said, we have to read Prasthanatrayi. It is called Upanishads, Brahma Sutras, and Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is such a great scripture. It can be read by all people at all times, at all places. In the Bhagavad Gita, there are 700 verses. The first chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, the first line, the first 4 words itself is sufficient for us to change our way of thinking. Dharma Kshetre, Kuru Kshetre. These 4 words are very, very important in our life. Put these words in a proper way. Dharma Kshetre, Kuru Kshetre. Put it in a proper way. Kshetre, Kshetre, Dharma, Guru. Normally, we live with 4 kshetras. Bhagavad Gita again tells, Indriyani Pradhanyamu, Indriyam Paramana, Manasastha Parabhuti, Yogude Parasastha. It means, Bhagavad Gita is such a scripture is always functioned in the prana. Hence, pranayama is very important. By doing a set of yogasanas, we can transcend body consciousness. By doing a set of pranayamas, you can create harmony in our breathing. Then, prana is very important in our life. Prana is breathing. Prana alone, very subtle. It connects gross mind to subtle mind. And by doing pranayamas, you are not only creating harmony in the body, but you create in the mind also. Then alone, you can regulate your mind, you cannot control the mind. Hence, by breathing, regulating pranayama, breathing pranayama, doing pranayama properly, you can understand how our mind is thinking. So many unnecessary thoughts come. Our mind is just like a dustbin. To remove it, most important thing is our Gurudev beautifully gave Mahamantra or any Ishta mantra. All thoughts are finally one light of consciousness. Either Rama, Krishna, Shiva, they are all different forms, but Rama also worshipped Shiva, Krishna also worshipped Shiva. Shiva is called Adeva, Mahadeva, Devadeva. Is called Shiva is not to worship any form. Shiva is worshipped only in Linga. That Linga is very universal form. It's so rare to see.